simple tenses: present, past, and future. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. For example, I run every day. I ran yesterday. I will run tomorrow. The simple tense verbs simply indicate actions in present, past, and future. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following: habits, regular events, current situations, general truths, or facts. It resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person: he or she or it. For example, I spy. You spy. She spies. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened. We add ed to the base verb. For example, I spied. Irregular verbs take different forms. For example, I swam. The simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen. We add will or shall before the base verb. For example, I will tell you my answer. Imperative sentences use verbs in simple present tense. The verb stays in the base form. For example, soak the clothes in soap water. Interrogative sentences in simple tenses begin with to do or to be verbs followed by the subject and the main verb. For example, does she hate going to the movies? Here, the sentence begins with a to-do verb does, is followed by the subject she and the main verb hate.